Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme e-commerce site build. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesigntechtips.com. In our last video we styled these for sale buttons, got them how we wanted them. In this one I want to style our price buttons. I know we've been doing a lot of styling and not a whole lot of building, but if we do this all up front it'll save us time later on. And we can throw this site together a lot quicker. So what I'm going to do here is customize these price buttons just to make them look a little bit more interesting. For those of you that have not been watching, we're doing a site build with the Divi theme from Elegant Themes here. It's an absolutely awesome theme. You can get it from my affiliate link below this video, or you can just go to elegantthemes.com and get it from there. It is a premium theme, but if you use WordPress at all, I do suggest you take a look at it because it's absolutely awesome. It has so many great features for all kind of different sites. So let's continue. I've got my visual builder enabled now. I'm just going to disable that for a moment. I want to save the changes. Okay, and I'm using Google Chrome here. I'm going to right click and inspect this, which brings up the fantastic developer tools box here. And I want to edit these price amounts. I might have to make them a certain color inside it itself. Exactly what I want there. There's our price amount. In our last video we went to Adobe Color here and selected some colors that I quite like the look of. I'm going to give our price amount this green color right here. There's a background color. You see that's giving it that green color there. Now I want to give it a bit of padding. What I've got in mind is making it round. Say 20 pixels by 10 pixels. Probably going to be too much. I want it almost square. Okay, that's not quite square. Let's say 20 by it. Just selecting that and rolling it with my mouse wheel. That looks a little more square. Let's try that. Okay, now give it a border radius. To make it round, which will be 50%. Okay, that's getting there. Now it wants to drop down a little bit more, so we'll have to give it a bit of a line height of more than what we've got going on here. So let's try 70 pixels. Just so it clears that writing at the top there. That's okay. Maybe a little bit much. Oops. Let's give it 65. It's not that much of a gap there, but enough. It's okay. And the actual price itself, I want that to be white. I may have to change that within that module there, or give it the important to force it. Yeah, it's not going to do it. Okay. Had to force it, which I don't particularly like to do, but that's okay. It works. And all of this, we want to put in WooCommerce price amount. So let's just copy that. All I did was double clicked on it and it opened it up. Let's go to our custom CSS, which is in Divi Theme Options, General tab, right down at the bottom here, where I happen to be, which was convenient. And I guess we'll call this prices. I'm just giving it a title so we can find it again at a later date. And it was docked because it was a class. WooCommerce price amount. I don't need that second amount on the end there. If I do, then it's not going to work. So let's copy what we just created here in our Inspector console. Open and close some curly brackets and place that code inside. There we go. Just save that. Nice green check mark. Go back here. Let's close the inspector out and refresh, and hopefully that should stay the same there. Good. Well, the white didn't work, so we've got to change that within the actual module itself. And as you can see, our original price sticker is changed to that green as well. I want to make that this color for our modules here. So I think we'll do that inside the module itself. So let's enable the visual builder here. This is the section we're working on. That's the actual row. This is the modules, this one here. Hit the cog. Let's go over to our design, because I want to make that price white. There we go. And in the advanced, I think they've got a box for this old price here in custom CSS. Let's have a look. On sale, that's this. Price, old price, that's what I'm looking for. And our old price, well, we'll give it the same padding as we gave this, which was, let's have a look, I think it was 20 by 5, wasn't it? In fact, we can copy all of this. I'm going to delete that color at the bottom there because it's not working anyway. I think copy all of that and just change our color. So we've got our padding built in, we've got our border radius and our line height. And the reason I'm doing this here and not the other place is because this, I tried it before and this just actually works better. And let's go back to our color wheel, and I want to grab that purple color there, or hot pink, or whatever color you care to call that. Let's replace this color here. Ensure not to cut off the hashtag. Yeah, there we go. That's kind of what I wanted. Makes those stand out a little more, and they're sort of color coded with our buttons and stuff like that. So let's save that. And I think that will do. So now we've got our buttons customized, we've got our sale prices customized, and we've got our item prices customized, as well as our reduced prices. But if we look down here, yeah, that's a bit of a mess. Because we haven't got the red ones, or the pink one I should say, hot pink one, on this because we need to do that within the module itself. But I'm going to get rid of all these anyway, and we'll just use this as a template for our new ones, which is fine, and they'll all have that styling there. And the reason this is not working is because that text is so much larger. I think this was 16 pixels. I have no idea what this is. But if we were to do that full circle with this, we'd have to drop it down so much. And I don't think there'd be the amount of room on one line. Well, there might be looking at that. Put the other one, but I think that's too big. And just for an example, let's go in here. Get rid of this module. I guess it's shirts. Boom. Let's clone this module. Boom. There it is below. Let's move it down here. Let's just edit it. Make it product count of 4. And there we go. It's done it all automatically for us. And as you can see, we've got all our colors that we saved there and our buttons that we saved there. I think we might want to go in and change that to a white color, which is the title, as we're using this background here, but that's no big deal. Title text. There we go. So every module we create now, all we've got to do is change that title text for the according background there. Simple as that. So that's how to customize your WooCommerce price buttons there, make them look a little more in line with what we've got going on with our site. Well, that's most of our customizations or pre-build customizations done now. I think we can get on with the business of actually building. So I hope you found that useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to our channel and share our videos. If you're interested in web design, we've got some great web design courses below with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. So take a look. There's also some great free courses down there. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.